Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner, where we explore groundbreaking theories and concepts that shape our understanding of learning and personal growth. Today we delve into Dr. Carol Dweck theory of mindset and its profound significance for teachers. So educators, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on a journey to explore how incorporating this theory can transform the way we approach teaching and inspire our students to reach their highest potential. Dr. Carol Dweck, a renowned psychologist and Stanford University professor, introduced the concept of mindset, outlining two primary mindsets, the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. Let's start by understanding what these two mindsets entail. The fixed mindset, also known as the belief in a fixed traits, is based on the notion that intelligence, abilities, and talents are inherent and unchangeable. Individuals with a fixed mindset believe their intelligence is fixed, leading them to fear failure, avoid challenges, and resist feedback. On the other hand, the growth mindset is characterized by the belief in the potential for growth and improvement. Individuals with a growth mindset embrace challenges, persist through difficulties, and see failures as opportunities for learning and growth. So why is Dweck theory of mindset crucial for teachers? Let's explore the impact it can have on our classrooms and the learning environment. Dweck theory of mindset is important for teachers because it highlights the power of students' beliefs about intelligence and their ability to learn. By fostering a growth mindset in the classroom, teacher can help students become more resilient, engaged learners who are willing to take risks and embrace challenges. Teacher can use Dweck theory of mindset in several ways to improve the teaching and learning process. First, they can help students develop a growth mindset by encouraging them to embrace challenges and learn from their mistakes. This can involve providing students with opportunities to take risks, try new things, and receive feedback on their progress. Second, teacher can incorporate growth mindset practices into their teaching strategies, such as praising students for their efforts, setting high expectations, and providing opportunities for self-reflection. Finally, teacher can work to develop their own growth mindset, which can strengthen their ability to support students' learning and growth. Through these approaches, teachers can help create a culture of learning and growth in their classroom that support the success for all students. Now I am going to discuss several strategies that teachers can use in the classroom to develop a growth mindset in students. Number 1. Encouraging students to embrace challenges and make mistakes as a natural part of the learning process. Number 2. Praising effort, persistence, and specific strategies that students use to overcome challenges. Number 3. Providing opportunities for self-reflection and goal settings. Number 4. Incorporating growth mindset language and concepts into classroom activities and discussions. Number 5. Fostering a positive and supportive classroom culture that values feedback, collaboration, and growth. Number 6. Providing opportunities for students to explore their interests and passions, which can help them develop a sense of purpose and motivation. Number 7. Modeling a growth mindset by taking on challenges and learning from mistakes. Number 8. Providing students with opportunities to take ownership of their learning through independent projects and self-directed learning. Number 9. Creating a strengths-based approach to teaching that focuses on building on student strengths and interest. Finally, number 10. Encouraging a growth mindset in parents and caregivers by sharing growth mindset resources and strategies with them. Remember, as educator, we hold the key to transforming students' lives by instilling in them the belief that they have the power to achieve greatness. Let's embrace the growth mindset and empower the next generation to soar to new heights together. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.